Hello, my name is Amit Pandey and I am an instructor at InfosecTrain. So today's topic that we are going to discuss is Amazon Elastic Beanstalk. Amazon Elastic Beanstalk is a fully managed service offered by Amazon Web Services (AWS) that make it easy for developer to deploy, run, and scale web application and services. With Elastic Beanstalk, developer can focus on writing code rather than worrying about underlying infrastructure and scaling. This service abstracts away many of the complexity of infrastructure management and allows development to quick and easy deploy their application. One of the key benefits of using Elastic Beanstalk is that it supports a wide variety of programming language and web content. This means that developer can use the tool and language they are already familiar with to build their application rather than having to learn new one. Currently, Elastic Beanstalk supports Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, and Go. This allows developers to use their preferred programming language and framework, making it easy to get started and allow them to take full advantage of their existing knowledge and skill. Elastic Beanstalk is also provide automatic scaling, which means that it can automatically adjust the resources allocated to an application based on changes in traffic. This ensures that the application is always able to handle the traffic it receives and helps to prevent downtime or slow performance. The service will automatically provision additional resources such as EC2 instance when traffic increases and then scales down the resources once the traffic subsides. These features make it easy for developers to handle unpredictable traffic patterns and ensure that their application can handle large spike in traffic without any interruption. Another benefit of Elastic Beanstalk is that it provides monitoring and logging capability. It makes it easy for developers to track the performance of their application and troubleshoot any issue that may arise. Elastic Beanstalk provides detailed information about the resource utilization of the application, such as CPU and memory usage, as well as detailed logs of the application activity. This allows developers to quickly identify and resolve any problem that may occur, ensuring that the application is always running smoothly. Elastic Beanstalk also integrated well with other AWS services such as Amazon RDS for database management and Amazon S3 for storage. This makes it easy for developers to build a complete end-to-end solution for their application. For example, developers can use Amazon RDS to manage their database, which will automatically scale as the size of data changes. Additionally, developer can use Amazon S3 to store and retrieve files such as images, video, and other static content, which make it easy to build a complete solution for their application. Another feature worth mentioning is the ability to customize the environment to your need. Elastic Beanstalk provides a variety of options for customizing the environment, such as configuring the load balancer or selecting the size and type of instance used to run the application. Additionally, Elastic Beanstalk also provides a variety of options for deploying the application, such as deploying the application with a single command or using a continuous integration and development pipeline. This allows developers to fine-tune their environment to their specific need, ensuring that the application is always running at optimal performance. One of the most significant advantages of Elastic Beanstalk is the ease of development and management. Elastic Beanstalk handles all the infrastructure-related tasks such as capacity provisioning, load balancing, and automatic scaling, allowing developers to focus on writing code and deploying their applications. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.